हाँ विजय, तुम क्या बोल रही थी शांति के बारे में? सच एन इल्यूजन.
Yeah, while we are handling, when we get married and come into households, or when you're in a workplace, we are on a survival mode, and the predominant requirement is that you have the big factors, you have to maintain peace with people, with the situation. In the process, now we are realizing that that was not peace in real terms. It's an
Not at all.
illusion.
It was like subduing you,
An
suppressing you.
illusion.
Yeah.
Illusion.
Yeah.
Why? Because peace was never created. Why
Peace
the
was never
peace?
there. People didn't even. So if you don't choose yourself and you're
You
only
see,
choosing the system, where is
yeah.
the peace? You have to first choose yourself.
So if I
And
put this, yeah, I'll just add one thing. When you're choosing peace, so-called, you're thinking that you're working towards a goal, like bringing the peace in the environment. That if that is your goal, now after so many years, वो ना जैसे bubble फट गया है. Because while you were creating that non-existent peace, you actually have become toxic inside.
yeah, you've rejected
Yes,
yourself.
because
You have
yourself and
not allowed.
suppressed.
You've not allowed to listen. You've not heard yourself because you're listening to the bigger person or the bigger. जो इसको भी नहीं पता. And today, if you start
Yeah.
listening, if you start choosing yourself, people will also learn to choose you. You have to abandon people for some time, and you have to be with yourself for some time. Otherwise, you'll keep following what people are doing. I remember when I got married. And so someone told me, Beta, you can't be so blunt. I know Bombay people are very blunt. So you have to be diplomatic. And I was like, I don't know what diplomacy is. Watch me, what I am. I will tell you what I am. So I feel कि this back and forth, these tennis shots up and down is important. आप अपना बोलो, मैं अपना बोलूंगी, मैं करूंगी when it sets me up. And another thing I want to
सुनूंगी
share this.
सबकी, करूंगी मन की.
मन की करूंगी तो टाइम लगता है. और वो मन की करने के लिए ना, पहले आप अब जब मन की करना भी
जानना
चाहते
पड़ता
हैं,
है.
बहुत गुस्सा निकलता है. वो गुस्सा आपके अंदर से वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस होते थे मेरे हर 6 महीने. लिटरली लाइक देयर वाज अ वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. दिवाली हो एंड आई न्यू कुछ होने वाला है, मेरे अंदर से ठक ढक 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 कुछ निकल. देन आई रियलाइज्ड, व्हाट, इट वाज नॉट हार्मिंग एनीवन. मैं अपने आप को हार्म कर रही थी. बिकॉज जब व्हेन यू रिएक्ट एंड टॉक इन दैट मैनर कि आपने ये किया, 6 महीने के एपिसोड्स आप, you're only harming yourself. Today, I'm in a better place, much better place. Then I'm like, Kardiya, okay, thank you.
We have learned
Bye.
forgiveness
Because you
while
accept, and yeah,
processing
only when you
this.
accept yourself, I think forgiveness and letting go is possible.
Yeah.
And I have
चबा
lived
के मत रखना.
all
Yeah,
my
चबा के
life
रखना.
trying to
Yeah.
make everybody happy around me. कि सब लोग
Oh
खुश रहे,
God.
and it was like,
कोई खुश
in
नहीं
the
होता
process, you
because
can
तुमको
never be
मालूम भी
happy
नहीं.
yourself.
हाँ.
Yeah,
नहीं, आप
yeah.
जो अपने आप को कर सकते हो, दिस इज व्हाट आई शेयर्ड इन माय यस्टरडेज थिंग, जो आप अपने लिए कर सकते हो. यू कैन नॉट इवन एक्सपेक्ट योर डॉटर, सन और डॉटर इन लॉ टू डू इट. करो ना,
Yeah.
अपने लिए करो.
Uh,
आप अपने
and
लिए
no,
करो, सिट विद योरसेल्फ.
and I think that, and there's so much of explanations, and there's so much of,
Oh,
depends.
Irrelevant. Everything is so
Self,
irrelevant, right?
it's so,
yeah.
and that goes in a process which drains you. You have to explain each and everything through the day. From the moment you wake up to you sleep, you're only explaining yourself, and that was so
I'm taking you
draining.
to the first sentence you said about you know yourself and then you tell people how to do. I'll give you a very small metaphor for this. Say, for example, you've entered into a cab which is very beautifully maintained, spotless clean. You had a chocolate and now you can't throw the wrapper around because it's so neatly done. So it teaches you not to litter. But when if a cab you've sort of boarded is dirty, बोले इतना सारा तो पड़ा है और एक डाल दो.
क्या
हाँ.
You
फर्क
know,
पड़ जाएगा?
क्या
क्या
फर्क
फर्क
पड़ता
पड़ता है?
है?
That
Yeah.
is what we had been doing. And now we are
Yeah,
those clean spaces where even a speck is noticed and it is processed.
not
When you look at the
accepted,
beach,
not
you look at the
accepted. Yeah.
sea, भरा हुआ है गंदा, तो you feel like
Yeah.
एक और डाल दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है,
क्या ही
सब
फर्क
धुलेगा, सब धुल
पड़ेगा?
जाएगा. But
My
no,
God, I'm
it
Yeah.
makes
loving
a
this
difference. One
mapping.
person
I'm
stands
loving this
out.
mapping. I'm loving the mapping of,
Yeah.
the experiences and the metaphors. Wow.
Yeah, absolutely. But I
Exactly.
think it makes a difference. It doesn't make a difference to people. You made a difference to yourself by stepping
Yeah.
away from that energy.
And it
Yeah.
definitely makes difference, the way people see you and treat you. I think this is the bonus. I'm just noticing people don't treat me as they used to treat me earlier. So because you're teaching them, you're setting boundaries for yourself and for others, that this is not acceptable
Oh my
beyond
God.
this,
Yeah, I love you for bringing this up. I don't know how this cues come. When you said, people treat you differently. Now,
Mm.
when people treat you differently, or sometimes they fake, okay, to
Yeah.
sort of comply करने के लिए. Now, you are so conscious, you know who is faking that आपको
Yeah.
अच्छा feel कराना, और कौन नहीं, कौन जेन्युइनली आता है. नाउ द फर्स्ट इंस्टेंसेस, उसको जरूरत तो महसूस हुआ फेक करके ही सही सही तरीके से
Yeah.
ट्रीट करना,
Treat
बट
करना.
me being me, I will send blessings and clear the energy of this
So
fake
true.
thing and enable that person to also be authentic. Oh my
Yeah.
God, this is
और
amazing.
पहले फेक लोगों से डर लगता था कि पता नहीं ये लोग क्या क्यों किस
Yeah,
मोटिव
but
से
I
हमारे
think
साथ काम करें. बट अभी कुछ नहीं है. There's
अभी
no
कुछ नहीं है, because
fear.
I think we've drawn up our boundaries
Yeah.
and barriers कि आओ आप भी करो
करो.
मेरा मेला
Play your
होली.
games. Yeah,
हाँ,
play your games and I know where to head it, where
yeah,
to,
yeah.
take it forward and how
Oh
to
my
Energetically
direct
God,
you
it.
switch off,
that's
right?
going
You
so
switch
Yeah.
off.
wonderful. Now that we've come to this phase of all of us coming on the same page, you know why we are not getting impacted with the game players? Because we are healing and we are in that beautiful crystal triangle where only
Mm.
love and light flows through us, and everything which doesn't serve is deflecting away. On
Deflecting.
this note,
Totally,
on
yes.
this powerful episode of Power Bombs, and lot of power to everybody
Don't use the
watching
word,
this.
sorry, don't use the word BOM. Please change that
Yeah.
energy.
Yeah. It's
Powerful
like,
women.
power
Energy.
miracles. Yeah, power
Miracles,
energy. Yeah,
energies.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
All
yeah.
Yeah.
right. Thank you. Thank you. And
Thanks so
again,
much.
face events and relax, sweetheart.